Good day everyone, I'm Ivan Claire Mendoza of BS ECE 3B, and in today's video, we will compare the original Arduino Uno R3 that is made in Italy to the Arduino Uno R3 clone that I bought online. Arduino Uno R3 is a board-based microcontroller with other components. These are the parts of the Arduino Uno R3 clone: reset switch, USB port, power port, digital pins, analog pins, and the microprocessor. Arduino boards are basically a tool for controlling electronics devices. Now, let's discuss the specs of both original and the clone Arduino Uno R3. The original has a microcontroller of 80 Mega 328P, while for the clone, it has 80 Mega 328. For the USB controller, the original has 80 Mega 16U2, and for the clone, it has CH340G. Both original and clone Arduino Uno R3 has an operating voltage which is 5 volts, input voltage recommended 7 to 12 volts, input voltage limit which is 6 to 20 volts. And they both have 14 terminals, of which 6 provided pulse width modulation outputs. They also have the same other components included in the controller board, like USB connector, USB interface chip, reset switch, voltage regulator, crystal oscillator, digital pins, power port, microcontrollers, transmit and receive LEDs, and analog inputs. The original Arduino Uno R3 weighs 25 grams in weight, while the clone has 21.2 grams in weight. You can see on the screen the PCB layout of original and clone Arduino Uno R3. The PCB layout for the original Arduino Uno R3 is 80 Mega 328P with built-through hole, while the Arduino Uno R3 clone has a PCB layout of 80 Mega 328, which is surface mounted. The original Arduino Uno R3 has a lead-free soldered PCB quality, while the clone is lead soldered PCB quality. The original and clone Arduino Uno R3 has the same memory size, which is 32 kilobytes, of which 0.5 kilobytes used by bootloader or flash memory, 2 kilobytes static random access memory, 1 kilobyte electronically erasable programmable read-only memory, and they have also the same clock speed, which is 16 megahertz. So to summarize this discussion, in terms of quality, I prefer the original Arduino Uno R3. But to the students like me, I prefer the Arduino Uno R3 clone because it's very affordable and it has also a lot of similarities to the original Arduino Uno R3. So that would be all. Thank you and keep safe.